Hello, hi, this is Guldstrom, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of our sledgehammers. This, my dear audience, is a real sledgehammer. It's made by the company Hultafors, and it's 5 kilos, and it has a smashing head and a very nice sharp end. So this end you can really crack open stones, and the handle is glass fiber and it's covered with plastic, and here you have a rubber handle. And I'm telling you, this is a real sledgehammer. With the help of this sledgehammer you're going to break open any stones, and you're going to move away so many things you won't believe it. And we are very proud to be selling this real Swedish steel sledgehammer. So if you like to buy it, you will find all the descriptions above, where we have written how long it is, how much it weighs, what quality it is, and of course the price. And here they have put a small nail, so it is practically unbreakable. This, my friends, is an absolutely fantastic tool, and if you use this one, you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much.